let's look at this picture. So this boy here is wearing a red backpack. He's got a red backpack on his back, a red backpack, and he is holding his mother's hand. So this is his mother or his mum. Let's say it's his mum, and he is holding his mum's hand here. And there are other children as well. This girl is holding her parents' hand. This girl is on a scooter with her mother, and they are both wearing helmets. There are also many children on the bus as well. A lot of children on the bus. This is because it is the first day of school today. Today is the first day of school. Now the boy with the red backpack on, he meets his new teacher. So this is going to be his teacher. I think this is probably an Indian woman. If I had to guess, probably an Indian woman. And this is going to be his teacher now. But the boy is quite shy. So it's a shy boy, and he is holding on to his mother's dress. See, his mother is wearing a white dress here, and he is holding on with his hands. He is holding on to his mother's dress here, his mother's white dress, because he is shy and he is scared on his first day. And so he goes with his new teacher into the school, and the parents are here, and they are waving. See, they are waving goodbye to their children. So this woman is waving goodbye. This woman is waving goodbye as well. And this child is waving back. This is her mother. She is waving, and her child, her daughter is waving back. She's waving back. This poor child is crying. He is crying his eyes out. Yes, this boy is crying his eyes out. He is very, very upset that he is leaving his parents. So he is crying his eyes out because he's leaving his parents. When the boy goes into the school, he does not know what to do. He is new, so he does not know what to do. But the good thing is this girl helps him out. So she helps him out, and she shows him what he needs to do. So she takes his red backpack here, and she hangs it up for him. So she hangs up his red backpack for him here. So she hangs it up on one of these hooks. See, there's a hook here, and there's a hook here as well. And the hooks are here so that you can hang up your backpack. She takes his hand and brings him to this tree, and then she climbs the tree. So she is climbing the tree here. You can see she's climbing the tree. The boy follows after her. So he follows after her and tries to climb the tree as well. But as he is climbing the tree, he gets halfway up the tree. He gets halfway up, but then he gets stuck. See, now he is stuck here. He does not know what to do because he is stuck, and he's scared now, very scared. And he starts crying his eyes out because he is so scared. So he started to cry his eyes out. And he is thinking about his mother. He is thinking about his mum now. But it's not so bad because there is another boy here, and the other boy comes to play with him, and you can see the other boy is showing him how to do it, and the boy is hanging off the tree. See, this boy here, he is hanging down off the tree here. Good for him. And then they start chatting. They are chatting away about different things like bugs and lizards. This is a lizard, and this is a bug, a fly, I think, looks like a fly. And they are chatting away, and so now he has a new friend. So they have made friends now. Okay, the boy has made a friend. Then the teacher, she hits this. This is called a gong. Bong, bong. She bangs the gong here. Bong. And that shows that it is time for class to begin. It's time for the class to begin. And all the children here, all the children are lined up. So they are lined up. They are in a line here. All the children are lined up. And now each child will go into the classroom one by one. Okay, they will go one by one. This girl will go in, and then this boy will go in, and then this girl will go in, and then this boy will go in, and they will go into the classroom one by one. They will not all go at the same time. No, they will go into the classroom one by one. In the class, they are having a lot of fun. They are having fun, and they are talking about the weather. Yes, they are talking about rain. Okay, so the teacher is talking about rain, and she is raising her arms into the air. So she raises her arms into the air here, and she is talking about rain. And most of the children, not all of them, but most of them are copying her. They are also raising their arms into the air. Most of them are doing this, but not all of them, because this girl is not copying the teacher. This girl is not copying the teacher, and this boy here is also not copying the teacher, and also this boy is not copying the teacher. But most of them are also raising their arms in the air and copying the teacher. This girl is playing with some blocks. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks here, and she is playing with the blocks. And this boy is hitting a drum. So this is a little drum, and he is hitting the drum. Yeah, this boy is just shouting about buses for some reason. He is shouting about a bus. Next, the children can paint. So it's time to do some painting. Most of the children are painting. So this girl is painting, this girl is painting, this girl is painting. Most of them are painting. Okay, this boy is not really painting. This boy is daydreaming. He's daydreaming. So he is thinking about something else completely. So he's not painting anymore, he is daydreaming. Now, this girl here, she is showing the teacher what she has painted. So she is showing this teacher what she has painted, doing that. And a lot of the children have paint on their bodies. This girl has some red paint on her left arm. These two children, this boy and this girl, they both have paint on their face. So they have paint on their faces, these children. And now, before they eat lunch, they need to wash their hands. See, they are all going to wash their hands here in the sink. So they're going to wash their hands in the sink here. And they're going to wash their hands one by one, right? They're going to wash them one by one. This boy will wash them, then this girl will wash them, and then this boy will wash his hands. And they will all wash their hands one by one before they eat lunch. So this is lunch, and the teacher is giving each child something green and something orange, maybe some vegetables. I think it is vegetables. I'm not sure what this food is. The food does not look very nice, but each child will get some food. And all of the children are sitting cross-legged. Look at this. Look at the way they are sitting. This boy is sitting cross-legged. See? That is how he's sitting. This girl is also sitting cross-legged. And this girl is sitting cross-legged. And this girl is also sitting cross-legged. And the boy is sitting cross-legged as well. So most of the children, maybe not this girl and maybe not this boy or girl, they are not sitting cross-legged, but most of the children are sitting cross-legged. Now it is time for the children to have some fun, to play, and all the children are doing different things. This boy is looking out of the window here. This boy is playing with a block. I think this boy is pretending that the block is a car. I think he is pretending that this little block is actually a car, pretending it's a car. This girl here is crying her eyes out. I think she is crying her eyes out because this girl stole something. I think this girl stole this little doll here. So there's a doll. She is holding a doll in her hands, and I think that this girl wants the doll back because I think this girl stole it from her. She stole it from her, and that's why she is crying her eyes out, because she stole it from her. And all the children are playing and having fun. Then it is time for a puppet show. See, the teacher is holding a puppet on each hand. So there's a puppet on her right hand and there's a puppet on her left hand. So it is time for the puppet show. This is the puppet show, and most of the children are very interested. They are paying attention. Most of the children are paying attention to the show, to the puppet show. Most of them, he's paying attention, he's paying attention, he's paying attention. Most of them are paying attention, except this one boy over here. This boy is not paying attention. He is sleeping. This boy is sleeping. This boy is fast asleep. He is fast asleep. So he's not paying attention to the puppet show because he's fast asleep. And if you look down here, most of the children are enjoying, most of them are enjoying the puppet show. There's but the boy in the back is sleeping on the floor. Now he is lying down on the floor now. So he's lying down fast asleep, but all the other children are enjoying the puppet show. Then, now it is time for everybody to leave the school. So all of the children get ready to leave. They are all getting their bags. So the bags that were hanging on the hooks here. Here's a hook. There's another hook. Each bag was hanging on a hook, and they all have to get their bags and get their things because it's time to go home. It is home time now, right? It's home time. And so now they can leave the school and go home. These two children are having an argument, and they are both trying to take the same bag. Both of these children are trying to take the same bag here, and they are both a bit angry. But most of the children are putting on their shoes. This boy is putting on his shoes, and they are getting ready to leave the school. And it's home time, and now all the children can see their parents again. So all the children are running off to see their parents, right? And the parents are waiting just behind the wall. Okay, so there's a wall here, and all the parents are waiting just behind it. See, there's also a gate. There's a black gate here, and this woman is waiting just behind the gate. Waiting just behind the gate, and this man is waiting just behind the wall here. And now the boy can go and see his parents, and he is so excited to see his dad. His dad is there, and so he runs over to his dad. So he runs over, and then he hugs him. He hugs the dad's legs, actually. Gives his legs a big hug there. So the dad carries his son on top of his shoulders, right? He carries him on top of his shoulders, and the boy falls asleep very quickly. So the boy is already fast asleep on top of his shoulders. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.